Do you want to learn how to fly your DJI Mini 2 and have full control over your drone to perform spectacular flight maneuvers, always flying in total safety? Take the official DJI ARS educational course available on udemy.com. The course is on demand. It includes free support and lifetime access. Here you will find 8 chapters to get to know your drone in depth, how to fly it, how to manage your camera, all the settings, and how to quickly edit your videos in the DJI Fly app to be able to share them with your audience right away. You will learn to fly safely and keep your drone always at its best and updated with the latest features. Once the course is completed, you will receive the certificate of participation in the official DJI ARS educational course. What are you waiting for? Become an expert and let your moments fly with the DJI Mini 2.